Where is the Golden Temple located? A. Ludhiana, B. Amritsar, C. Orissa, D. Jammu and Kashmir. The right answer is option B. Amritsar. Which of the following tunnels connects Italy and France? A. Saint Gothard Tunnel, B. Orangefish River Tunnel, C. Queensway Tunnel, D. Mont Blanc Tunnel. The right answer is option D. Mont Blanc Tunnel. Where is the Milwaukee Through located? Puerto Rico Trench, Cayman Through, Hikurangi Trench, Manila Trench. And the right answer is Puerto Rico Trench. Due to which of the following air the temperature in Central Europe remains relatively warm? Chinook, Föhn, Bugwind, Jonda. The right answer is option B. Föhn. What is the exact position of the Earth's magnetic field? Below the ionosphere, near the center of the Earth, above the ionosphere, within 12 to 16 kilometers of the Earth's surface. And the right answer is option C, above the ionosphere. Where is the capital of Ecuador? A. Asunción, B. Quito, C. Bogota, D. Lima. And the right answer is option B, Quito. Which of the following present-day countries was included in ARIANA? A. Afghanistan, B. Australia, C. Canada, D. Israel. And the right answer is option A, Afghanistan. Which is the most populous country in Africa? A. Ethiopia, B. Algeria, C. Egypt, D. Nigeria. And the right answer is option D, Nigeria. Which of the following is the largest tropical lake in the world? A. Victoria Lake, B. Lake Malawi, C. Lake Turkana, D. Lake Kivu. And the right answer is option A, Victoria Lake. How many time zones are there in Russia? A. 9, B. 11, C. 10, D. 12. And the right answer is option B, 11. In which country is the Ijafala-Jallo Jokul volcano located? A. Switzerland, B. Italy, C. Ireland, D. Iceland. And the right answer is option D, Iceland. Where is the world's largest sea wall located? A. North Korea, B. Japan, C. China, D. South Korea. And the right answer is option D, South Korea. Which two countries have a dispute over the Barents Sea located in the Arctic Sea? Russia and Norway, Russia and Denmark, Finland and Russia, Norway and Finland. And the right answer is option A, Russia and Norway. China's Shaanxi and Shaanxi provinces are famous for which of the following minerals? A. Iron, B. Coal, C. Petroleum, D. Diamond. And the right answer is option B, coal. In which country is Hagia Sophia located? Russia, Germany, France, Turkey. And the right answer is option D, Turkey. Which of the following is called Van Diemen's Land? Greenland, Tasmania, Peru, Arizona. And the right answer is option B, Tasmania. Hamilton is the capital of which of the following British overseas territories? A. Anguilla, B. Gibraltar, C. Cayman Islands, D. Bermuda. And the right answer is option D, Bermuda. What is the total number of British overseas territories? 16, 12, 10, 14. And the right answer is option D, 14. Ouagadougou is the capital of which of the following countries? Hungary, Niger, Benin, Burkina Faso. And the right answer is option D, Burkina Faso. By what name is the combined region of Moldavia and Wallachia currently known? A. Bulgaria, B. Romania, C. Hungary, D. Serbia. The right answer is option B, Romania. Subscribe now to master your competitive exams. Thank you.